Hey, what's up YouTube? Good evening from Mandaluyong, Philippines. Yeah, so today's plan is to go check out this pink moon. I don't know, my girlfriend was telling me about something about a pink moon. And then, yeah, the plan after that is to get some street food. I actually I don't think I've ever gotten street food in the Philippines. Or like not off one of those stalls. So yeah, I want to go check that out and try that. But yeah, I'm gonna get my stuff ready and I'm gonna head out. See you guys in. Alright, check out this pink moon. Okay, where's the moon?
Here's the eye. Where's the moon? It's very yellow.
Yeah, it's not pink. What's going on here? What is going on
You
here?
release your
It's not pink at all.
free from financial
It's
burden,
yellow.
free from anxiety, free from sadness.
It's a nice view from up here though. The guy is usually here. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see him. Never mind. We saw the balut guy earlier. But he's on the move.
Oh my god.
Huh? What?
One person. Ano
Yeah.
kasama nun? Ito?
You want one, right?
Dalawa.
Eat here?
Yung mga ano nyo dito.
I got this.
Sa kanin ba?
Tinuro ko yung paggawa ko. Kuya, huwag mo muna lagyan ng sabaw. Dapat itong muna.
You can add stuff.
Mahirapan ka dyan. Sino yung rice? Kanino yung rice? Ilan po?
Dalawa. Thank you. Salamat. Ito yan ah. You can add stuff.
Yeah.
Ito, ano bawat ito? May extra? Wala?
Oh, yun?
Ilan na extra mo boss? Ah. Kasama pa to? 23 plus 3. Kasama pa yung dalawa niya? Oo, kasama niya. Para to niya. Kasama.
May tissue po kayo?
Yung isa mami.
Salamat po.
Okay, let's try it.
Lahat kami dito pantay lang.
That's good.
Good.
I think I made it too spicy. But too much spicy.
Saan to ah? Sila to kaya. Ito ka ito.
Have
Rice.
pieces of pork.
Yeah, that one. You can add spice, I guess. Actually.
Yeah, I put too much.
Kaya pag
Dalawang fries. Dalawang bagnet. Dalawang bagnet.
Not exactly sure how to describe.
Hmm?
I'm not exactly sure how to describe the flavor. Very good though. It's like gravy, kind of.
Yeah, sort of. The favorite one I order online from, they have different kind of intestines in there. Even like the pork butt.
Pork butt.
Pig butt. Yeah. That's my favorite. Pig butt.
I think this is the way to eat it.
Pretty easy cheap meal for people.
80 pesos. It's like
What?
$1.50 or something.
80 pesos, yeah. I take out too.
Boss, ito rin po.
Yeah, that pork is really good.
Kuya, pangiti-ngiti ka dyan. Ha? Ano? Kanin? Kanin daw.
Ilan? Kanin baw? Sabre. Rice with sabre. Sabaw with rice.
I really don't know how to describe it. Very flavorful though.
Ha? Padagdag daw yung kanin. Sige, kain ka. Magpakabusog ka.
This is great.
Some places they cook the soup sweet.
Yeah.
This is not one of it.
Padagdag pa.
That's
Yeah.
how I felt full from the warmth of the soup.
My brother told me spiciness makes you feel more full.
Oh.
Yeah. That's why they eat so much spice in India. That's what he told me. Yeah, just got done with the food.
We going
I
here?
get some, yeah. Want some, yeah, stop by for a drink. Man, I've been addicted to sodas these days. Yeah, get a soda. There's some Sprite, energy drink. Alright, I'm gonna pick something. Yeah, waiting a while to cross the street. But got this Sprite, lemon Sprite instead of lemon lime. Yeah, this calamansi juice is delicious. I'll probably get that next time. But it's pretty good too.
I want to spread calamansi to the world.
Okay. Nah, you should spread mang inasal, baby.
No.
Mang inasal. That's my
Calamansi
favorite
first.
Filipino restaurant.
You should go
Mang
without
inasal.
doing that. Let's go to one of the best inasal places here.
Alright.
It's in Makati.
But yeah, that meal was very good. It's like I feel like a home cooked meal. It was very rich.
But I don't know how to make that. So it's not home cooked.
Yeah.
I don't know how to make that. I saw a video of how to make it before and like, oh, that's so much work.
Yeah, it's like pho. Like Well, it takes a lot of work, but
Yeah.
if you make a lot at one time, it's easy to like dispense once you make
They
a bunch.
boil it for hours.
Yeah. You gotta do that for broth.
Yeah.
Boil it for a long time.
I don't have the patience.
Yeah, that
to
was really
watch-
good.
to watch over a pot boiling.
What do you mean? It's just boiling. What you gotta watch it for?
I have to see if it's soft or something, or is the right, you know,